Yeet or be yeeted!
Perfect.
Hey guys, what's up? It's just me and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be remaking one of my other videos that I made with bad quality. It was not very good quality, but I'm going to be making stickers, and I'm sorry that that video had bad quality. I just wasn't filming it on the right camera, but now I have a good camera and better lighting, and yeah, so let's get started. So the things you will need is parchment paper. I prefer parchment paper and not wax paper. You will need some sort of tape. I have packaging tape. That's stuck. You will need scissors if you're cutting out your images, and then you will need some images, which I have way more down here. You can't see them. Okay, so the image that I'm going to be using is this one. It's a scrunchie. It's just the demonstration. I'll use that one. So you're going to want to take out a piece of parchment paper because I'm putting all of my images together. Put it about right there. And set your parchment paper. Your scissors off to the side. But you're gonna have to take a piece of parchment paper about this big, or however big that you want it. And then you will take some tape, which I already have cut, and you're gonna put it down. Make sure it's all stuck down. Probably not going to stick. You take as much tape as you want and put it on there, because I'm going to be putting all my images on there. I don't have any tape left. Pooh. And I ran out of tape. Of course, I always run out of something while I'm filming, so I need to get more tape. So, take your packing tape. I kind of ran out of my other, so I had to get more from my house. Oh, just lost the end of it again. Okay guys, so once you have all of the tape down, you are going to want to put all of your images down. So I have this one. Then I have this one. Might be upside down, but you know. And then this one right here. I'm just going to turn it. And then you're going to want to take more tape and cover all of your images up. Make sure all of the images are very well taped down so none of them come off. So since I had a lot of images on there, I can put more tape and stuff like that. Make sure that all of your images are sandwiched in, like this. Make sure it's all nice and flat. And then you can just go ahead and cut them out. You can leave if you want. You cut your images out. So this is what it looks like. There we go. And then once you want to use the sticker, you take it and then you peel off the parchment paper like that, and then it turns into a little sticker. I'm not going to peel off my parchment paper just yet because I don't need to use it, but yeah, that is how you make stickers, and I'm going to go cut these out. Okay guys, so these are all of the stickers that I made. So I made a bicycle, a yellow bicycle. I made this Vans logo sticker. And I made this scrunchie. It looks like. I then made this beat or beat, which means beat. There we go. Beated. I made this pair of sunglasses, which also needs to be put on. There we go. I made this hydro glass, yellow hydro glass. I made a dinosaur, I'm a herbivore sticker. And I made this Kermit the Frog drinking tea sticker. And then the last one that I made is this planet, the yellow planet. But then I have so much more to make yet, but I just didn't make them all in this video. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this sticker video. I had a lot of fun making these. These are a lot of fun to make, and I hope you guys make these stickers. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe down below, and make sure to comment down below what other videos I should do. So see you guys later. Bye!